One UI 8.5 is slowly shaping up to be one of Samsung's most practical updates in recent years, and one feature that really stands out is storage share. At first glance, it may sound simple, but once you understand how it works, it becomes clear why this feature is such a big deal, especially for people who use more than one Galaxy device every day. Samsung recently opened the One UI 8.5 beta program, and since then, eligible users in select countries have been testing the new software. Along with visual updates and productivity improvements, Samsung quietly introduced storage share. It was mentioned briefly in the official announcement, but now we're finally seeing how powerful it actually is. Storage share does exactly what the name suggests. It allows you to access the storage of one Samsung device from another. In simple terms, your phone can see and use the files stored on your tablet, or your tablet can access files saved on your phone. This works as long as both devices are signed into the same Samsung account. This feature is designed with multi-device users in mind. Many people today switch between phones, tablets, and even laptops throughout the day. Before storage share, moving files usually meant using cloud storage, sending files to yourself, or plugging in cables. All of that takes time and breaks your workflow. Storage share removes that friction and makes your devices feel more connected. Imagine you're working on a document or presentation on your Galaxy tablet, but the file you need is saved on your phone. With storage share, you don't need to upload it to the cloud or send it through messaging apps. You can simply access your phone's storage directly from the tablet and open the file as if it were stored locally. The same goes the other way around. If you took photos or videos on your tablet and want to edit or share them from your phone, storage share makes that possible without copying or duplicating files. This is especially useful for creators, students, and professionals who rely on quick access to their content. Samsung has placed storage share inside the Nearby Share menu, which makes sense. Nearby Share is already used for quick file transfers, and storage share builds on that idea. When you open the menu, you'll see a list of devices linked to your Samsung account. Once you select the device you want to connect to, its storage becomes visible through the File Manager app. From there, you can browse folders, view files, and open content directly. The experience feels natural and integrated, not like a separate or complicated tool. Everything happens within Samsung's existing apps, which makes it easy to understand and use, even for people who aren't very tech-savvy. Another big advantage of storage share is that it's designed for ongoing access, not just one-time transfers. Instead of sending a file once and forgetting about it, you can treat your other device's storage as an extension of your own. This is perfect for people who constantly move between devices during the day. Security is also important here. Since storage share only works when both devices are signed into the same Samsung account, your files remain private. You're not opening access to random devices nearby. Everything stays within your own Samsung ecosystem, which adds peace of mind. This feature also highlights Samsung's focus on building a stronger connected experience across its devices. Phones, tablets, and other Galaxy products are no longer meant to work alone. Features like storage share show how Samsung wants these devices to work together as one system. While storage share may not sound flashy compared to AI tools or design changes, it's one of those features that quietly improves daily life. Once you start using it, going back to older ways of managing files will feel slow and outdated. As more users get access to the One UI 8.5 beta, storage share is likely to become one of the most appreciated features in the update. It saves time, reduces hassle, and makes multi-device work smoother and more enjoyable. This is a great example of how small, thoughtful software features can make a big difference. One UI 8.5 isn't just about how your phone looks. It's about how well your devices work together, and storage share is proof of that.